Hi guys, this is Bill from Spencer1984.com with the final update to the Aoshima Back to the Future DeLorean. Got it just about wrapped up at this point, only a few more details to add. Before I do, give a little bit of a turnaround here so you can see where it is. Overall, I think they did a great job with it. It will test patience at times, especially if you get the photo etch parts. The conduit back here was kind of a pain to get together, and there are about 1 billion parts that all need very, very careful handling, but really no failings on how things go together. My one complaint, now that it's all done, is right back here. It does still have, try to get it in the camera, there we go. It does still have a gap right here, where you can see the rear wheel through the interior. And that's unfortunate. There's a good view of it. Because everything else fits so perfectly, that one mistake really kind of stands out. So this is the one place where I am modifying the kit. And what I'm doing is, I've made a couple of filler panels look like this. The one on the passenger side doesn't go back quite as far just because of the rear bulkhead. But if I put this in, put that in, give a little nudge to seat it here, and you can see that rear wheel just disappeared. So that's really my only complaint and correction to the kit, is it really needed a couple of filler panels right in there. So now that's done, I'm going to see if the doors snap on as easily as the instructions suggest. And passenger, and yeah, that one snaps on. And driver's side also pops on. This one doesn't quite close all the way. Passenger side closes nice and tight. That actually goes pretty seamless to the body. This one might need to do a little bit of adjusting on that, just to get that down where it belongs. It's not off a lot, but it is off a little bit. I suppose the other option could just pose it with the door open, because that looks good. That really does. The opening doors on this are definitely a nice feature to have included. And considering the shape of the body, that little offset that they've got right there really is not that bad. I did have to replace one other part at the very end. The Carpet Monster stole the kit-supplied tachyon field generator, so this is the one out of the old Aoshima kit. I just got it tacked on with some white glue, so should I find it in the future, I can always pop that off and replace it with the kit supplied. But at least for now, that looks just fine up there. Now, I'm not going to be doing a full photo shoot of this quite yet, because for one thing, the stock DeLorean kit is due out this month, so I'm hoping to get that so I can get the 4th wheel hub decal. I could print all new ones, but I don't want to waste the 3 that are already on the car. And I'm also deciding what I want to do about the license plate, because the kit supplied one looks a little bit small. I might end up just replacing that with one I make myself. And then taking a look at the underside of it. Last bits of circuitry that I don't think I showed in previous videos. You see, everything lines up, everything goes together just like you'd hope it would. Do like those photo etch pieces. Pain to work with, but you really can't beat the results. And while normally I don't care, I do kind of like the opening door feature. Lets you show off more of the interior considering how many gadgets there are inside. And so yeah, there we go. The finished, well, almost finished, Back to the Future Aoshima DeLorean. And I'm sure that this kit is going to be repopped with Part 2 and Part 3 versions. There's just too many little Easter eggs that they've included in it to not see that. I don't know if I'm going to be building all of them, but I'm definitely interested in seeing what they come out with. It's a great kit. It's not an easy kit, but there's no real problems to putting it together. You just got to make sure that you have enough patience to deal with all the stupid little parts and be prepared to chase one or two of them off the desk. So that'll do it for this. I will be posting a gallery once I get those last couple of details done, but between now and then, I'm going to be starting in on a new project next week, so you can check back then, and thanks for watching.